हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश विद शिवाय क्लासेस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे बीए 6 सेमेस्टर के सेकंड पेपर की 6 यूनिट, जिसमें है काई पूछे, जिसको लिया गया है द 3 मिस्टेक ऑफ माय लाइफ, जिसको डायरेक्टेड किया था चेतन भगत ने। उसी से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज़ को आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हेन वाज चेतन भगत बॉर्न? इनका जन्म हुआ था 22 अप्रैल 1974 में। चेतन भगत इज एन इंडियन राइटर। चेतन भगत एक इंडियन राइटर थे हैं। फॉर विच मूवी ही वॉन फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड फॉर द बेस्ट स्क्रीन प्ले? द आंसर इज बी। How many copies of Chetan Bhagat's novels have sold? The answer is C, 7 millions. In which year the New York Times cited Bhagat as the biggest selling English language novelist in India's history? The answer is C, 2008. For which movie he won Filmfare Award for the best screenplay? The answer is B. In which year he won Filmfare Award for the best screenplay at the 59th Filmfare Award? The answer is C, 2014. What is first movie with Westland? The answer is A, The Girl Room in 105. Who is the writer of the book Half Girlfriend? The answer is C, Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat was a student of IIT Delhi. What was Chetan Bhagat's first novel? What is the title of Chetan Bhagat's debut novel? The answer is C, 5 Point Someone. Which movie is based on Chetan Bhagat's novels 5 Point of Someone? The answer is D, 3 Idiots. What book is written by Chetan Bhagat? The answer is D, Half Girlfriend. Who wrote Making India Awesome? The answer is B, Chetan Bhagat. Name of the protagonist character of the novel Half Girlfriend? The answer is C, Madhav Jha. Which is the award winning novel of Chetan Bhagat? The answer is D, The 3 Mistakes of My Life. For what book Chetan Bhagat got Golden Book Award 2022? The answer is A, 400 Days. What is the best selling books of Chetan Bhagat? The answer is C, 5 Point Someone. Who is the biggest selling author in India's history? According to the New York Times, the answer is A, Chetan Bhagat. Name of the novel of Chetan Bhagat which have been made into a film? The answer is A, Two States. Name the author of the book titled Making India Awesome. The answer is C, Chetan Bhagat. Which novel of Chetan Bhagat was adapted into a Bollywood movie starring Shraddha Kapoor and Arjun Kapoor? The answer is A, Half Girlfriend. What is the name of female protagonist in the novel One Indian Girl? The answer is A, Radhika Mehta. Which of the following Chetan Bhagat's novel is not based on the theme of engineering? The answer is C, Revolution 2020. Which novel of Chetan Bhagat is based on the theme of politics? The answer is C, Revolution 2020. What is the name of the protagonist in the novel One Night at the Call Center? The answer is the answer is A, Shyam Mehta. In which year Chetan Bhagat awarded the Padma Shri Award by the Government of India? The answer is D, 2019. What is the name of the protagonist in the novel The 3 Mistakes of My Life? The answer is A, Govind Patel. In which dance reality show Chetan Bhagat was judge? The answer is C, नच बलिए में ये जज थे. लाइफ इज टफ when you are always talking to people smarter than you. From which novel these lines have been taken? The answer is B, The 3 Mistakes of My Life. Which of the following book is not written by Chetan Bhagat? वाइस एंड अदरवाइज इन्होंने नहीं लिखी है, बाद बाकी इन्होंने लिखी हैं. व्हेन वाज अभिषेक कपूर बॉर्न? अभिषेक कपूर का जन्म हुआ था. द आंसर इज डी, 6 अगस्त 1971. 3 मिस्टेक ऑफ माई लाइफ इज चेतन भगत नोबल्स थर्ड. 3 मिस्टेक ऑफ माई लाइफ वॉज पब्लिश्ड इन 2028. 3 मिस्टेक ऑफ माई लाइफ बाई पब्लिश्ड बाई. द आंसर इज बी, द रूपा एंड को, दिल्ली. The novel 3 Mistakes of Life has been adapted from the Bollywood movie Koi Poche. The novel The 3 Mistakes of Life follows the story of 3 friends. The story is based on the city Ahmedabad in Western India. The book was published in May 2008 and had an initial print run of 4,20,000. The following quote is from which of his book, but I guess it's better for people to shut up rather than say something nasty. The answer is A, Revolution 2000 One Night at the Call Center इसका सही आंसर है. Which of his novels questions the corrupt social setup in India and encourage the young generation to change this? The answer is B, What Young India Wants. Which publishing house has published all of Chetan Bhagat's novel? The answer is B, Rupa Publication. What is the name of his latest book that released in 2021? The answer is C, 400 Days. Which of the following non-fictional novels are not written by Chetan Bhagat? The answer is C, India First. How many of Chetan Bhagat's novels have been adapted into movies? The answer is A, 5. इसी के साथ कोई पूछे एन अडोप्टेशन 3 मिस्टेक ऑफ माई लाइफ, जिसको लिखा है चेतन भगत ने. इसी से रिलेटेड MCQs फिनिश होते हैं. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.